In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located under the hood on the passenger side. Let's get into it. Now you want to make sure the vehicle is cool before you take the cap off. Take the reservoir cap off. And then there's a couple ways you can drain the coolant. You can use a fluid extraction pump. Remove as much coolant as possible, or you can drain the coolant at the radiator, or you could also, when you take the lower hose off, just have a drain bucket underneath and collect the fluid that way. Disconnect this hose here, just use a straight blade screwdriver, pull up on the clip and grab the hose, slide it off. Take these two bolts out, use a 10mm socket. Take those out and disconnect this tube. Just use a pick, get underneath there, pull the clip up in that service position, then have a drain bucket underneath. Just in case any radiator fluid comes out or coolant. Pull it up, and we can disconnect the connector for the sensor. Just push down. For the level sensor, just push down on the tab, slide it off. Now the lower hose, we're just gonna push the clip down, take the new reservoir, connect the connector first for the level sensor, and connect the hose, get that lined up. Just click it in place. There you go. That's good. We have the upper hose. Push down on that clip. Line that up. Lock it in place. Now, take the bolts, get those started. Tighten these down. That's good. Now take the cap off. Just twist that to the left. We're going to open the bleeder screw right here. Loosen that up. Just going to use a funnel. And pour in the appropriate coolant. You want to use a 50-50 mix. You can hear air coming out the bleeder screw. You can see that pop up. That's your dipstick or your indicator. There's a little keyway on the side. You want to follow the keyway for where the level should be. Just pushing the coolant through the system. Just keep adding. You want to make sure the level is right about there. This is a little bit higher, that's okay. Close the bleeder. Then we're going to put the cap on. Now we're going to do a bleed procedure. It's going to take about 12 minutes. You want to hook a battery charger. There's the negative terminal there. There's a positive one over here. Or you can hook it on the battery. It's just easier to hook it up under the hood. And this is just to maintain battery voltage because the key is going to be left on for 12 minutes. Take your key, and then you're going to turn the key in the on position. Then you want to turn the headlights, have the low beam headlights on. Now we're going to go over to the heater controls. You want to turn the heat up to max, but have the blower down on its lowest setting. And then we're going to hold on the gas pedal down for 10 seconds. Make sure the engine is not running. All right, it was about 10 seconds. I can hear the pump going. And now the pump's going to do its thing for about 12 minutes. Just leave the key on, leave all this stuff on. If you listen, you can hear the pump running. It's going to be doing its thing, turning itself on and off, and you can hear liquid flowing through. So that's going to happen for about 12 minutes. And now it's been over 12 minutes and the pump is not pumping anymore. We can shut the key off. Now you can take the cap off. You can see the level is down, so we're going to top it off. There we go. And again, look at the key on the side. Get the level where it needs to be, right about there. Put the cap on. It's a good idea to road test the vehicle. Make sure the vehicle is not going to overheat. Shut it down and check it again when the vehicle is cold. And you can take off the battery charger and put this cap back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.